Yo, what's up, guys? It's Yujin Tang. Welcome to, I think this is episode 7 of Super Simple Python. Today, we're going to be building a password generator. So in order to do this, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to import the libraries we need, as we always do. So we're going to need the random library, and we're going to need the string library. So I'm going to start out by creating a password gen function. And in this function, we're going to take a length as our input. So this one's going to be required. And then I'm also going to allow the user to either pick a lower, an upper, a digits, and a punctuation thing. So lower, and I'm going to automatically set these equal to true because we want to automatically include these symbols, I guess? Characters, yes, characters in our password so we can have a strong password. So let's see. Char equals dot. And then if lower, we're going to add the lowercase characters to this. So char plus equals string dot as, yep, no, ASCII lower. Yep, there it is. If upper, we're going to add the string dot uppercase. There it is. If digits is true, we're going to add the digits. So char plus equals string dot digits. Yep. And then if punctuation is true, we're also going to add the punctuation. So char plus equals string dot punctuation. There we go. So this is our password generator function. Oh, no, we got to return something, right? So at the end, we're going to return the password, which is just going to be, I'm going to join them with, no space in between them. And we're going to join a random choice, random.choice char for, we don't care, in range length. Yep, okay. So this will return a password of some length. So we can just do let's just print pwgen, 8. And then we can just run that here. There it is. There's a random password of length 8. Now let's make it so that you as the user can change what you want in your password. So let's do let's equals int input. Let's set the length first. How long of a password do you want? And then the user can put some length they want here. And now let's also do an adjust function. So let's say, do you want to adjust the password parameters? Yn. And if adjust equals y, then we're going to let the user adjust these. So lower equals input. Do you want lowercase characters? Characters. Yn. Ooh, wait, no, this should be yn. There we go. And then we'll just do this with uppercase and the rest of them too. So I'm going to just copy and paste and then change this. So here's where we can use the power of Control D. And this one can't do that. Do you want digits? Punc. Do you want punctuation? Punctuation. Okay. So now that we've asked the user whether they want lowercase, uppercase, digits, or punctuation. Now we'll just do the we'll set these to true or false. So if lower equals y, lower equals true. Else lower equals false. And we'll just do this with all of them. And we'll do upper here. Is there a more efficient way to do this? Probably. Doesn't matter. No. At least not in this context. And then finally, we'll do punctuation. Punc. Okay. And then we will do print pwgen length, and then lower, upper digits, punk. Else, we'll just print a password of random length. So now we prompt the user, so let's try this out. How long a password? Let's say we want 16 digits. Do you want to adjust password parameters? Let's say no. We get a random password. And now let's do it again. Let's say we want 16. Let's say we do. Do you want lowercase characters? Let's say yes. Do you want uppercase characters? Let's say yes. Do you want digits? Let's say yes. Do you want punctuations? Let's say no. And there we go. So that's pretty much all there is to building a password generator. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. If you like this video, please give me a like, give me a subscribe, and peace out.